Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make up to $200 in a day or even more. First one on my list here is for you to become a virtual assistant. Yes, and I'm going to be spilling tea on the platforms where you can get jobs as a virtual assistant. Yes, apps and websites where you can work as a virtual assistant. The first one on my list here is Belay. Yes, you can go to belay.com and start to apply as a virtual assistant. You can also go to Upwork.com, yes, and start to apply as a virtual assistant. The third one on my list here is Zirtual. Yes, Zirtual. Go to Zirtual.com and start to apply as a virtual assistant. So stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. So besties, I'll be naming websites where you can make up to $200 daily, yes, every day. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. In case you're wondering what a virtual assistant is now, a virtual assistant is a remote worker who offers administrative support to different clients. And just so you know, successful virtual assistants are organized people, reliable people, and they are tech savvy. Yes, the exact job tasks that you will do as a virtual assistant, it can vary greatly based on your skill set as well as what the client wants. Just so you know, some of the services you might offer include responding to emails, scheduling clients' meetings and appointments, transcribing documents, and coordinating travel or bookkeeping. So if you already have administrative experience, it can make it easier for you to break into the industry, but you can start to look for clients using platforms like Belay, Upwork, and even Zirtual. Yes, like I mentioned earlier. Guess what? It's in no particular order. Yes. Another website on my list here is Wing Assistant. If you're looking for a virtual assistant, you can use Wing Assistant. And if you're also looking for a job as a virtual assistant, you can also use Wing Assistant. They help you to hire dedicated VAs for part-time or even full-time work. And you can assign unlimited tasks. Yes, because their services can include sales calling, social media management, lead generation, data entry, CRM tools, management, and what have you. Wing also uses AI to improve the work. Yes, in case you're wondering, they use it to improve the quality of work of the VAs. In case you're wondering how does it work, first thing you need to do is to choose a plan. So pick a plan based on how much work that you need to be done per week. So apart from choosing your general VAs, you can also opt for selecting specialized assistants. So after purchasing a plan, the customer success manager will help you to get started. You can also reach out to them through live chat or even schedule a call over Google Meet. Guess what? In terms of their pricing, they offer different pricing systems. The part-time gigs offer you $599 in a month. The full-time gigs offer you $999 as a side hustle per month. And yes, you can also get the 2x one, a full-time 2x, which is $1,699 every month. The next website on my list here is WeShop. In case you're wondering, I'm sure you've never heard it before. So besties, WeShop is a web-based platform that connects you to virtual assistants, virtual personal assistants, and these assistants can help with research, with scheduling, with travel planning, with social media management, with expense tracking, with communications, and of course other tasks. The platform promises to only have certified virtual assistants, and they also ensure the privacy of your information. In case you're wondering how does it work, when you subscribe to an hourly plan, the WeShop team will have a conversation with you about your needs and then assign a virtual assistant that they believe is a good match for you or for your company. Yes, their VAs are educated, they are vetted, and they are verified, and of course they are trained in-house. WeShop's app provides added functionality to track tasks, to talk to VAs, and to leave feedback or ratings on mobile. In terms of their pricing, WeShop's virtual assistant pricing is right there on their website, and it varies on the service that one requires, yes, as well as the level of expertise. The next website on my list here is Remote Coworker. Yes, Remote Coworker is a virtual assistant company that has extensive experience working with VAs. Their services include customer support, back office, admin, technical support, appointment setting, social media management, lead generation, bookkeeping, cold calling, sales and billing optimization. In case you're wondering how does it work, first you need to choose a plan that fits your budget and needs as well, and then you will interview the virtual assistants and find a suitable VA. Finally, you will have a conference call with your assistant, project manager, and trainer to finalize the details. And you can also schedule a call with a specialist who can help you assign a VA with proper skill sets and knowledge with their profiling process. In terms of their pricing, they offer 3 different pricing, and it is right there on their websites. The next website on my list here is Time Etc. or Time ETC. So Time ETC is a US-based virtual assistant company that helps they help to provide VA services to business owners, and you can outsource VA for general tasks, ranging from research to social media marketing to content marketing to sales administration to marketing administration and so much more. In case you're wondering how does it work, first you can try a virtual assistant for free. They are ready to do your first task for free and no credit card is required. So after completing the first task, you can hire a dedicated VA for your work if you liked their work. In terms of their pricing, it is all on their website. So guys, that is it for this company. Now the next one on my list here is called VA Staffer. Yes, you're looking for a virtual assistant job, go to vastaffer.com. So here is a brief overview about VA Staffer. They're a virtual assistant company that helps entrepreneurs with everything that they need to grow their business, like accounting, like websites, like lead generation, email marketing, social media management, graphic design, and so much more. VA Staffer has a diverse team with a unique skill set to collaborate with you. And in case you're wondering how does it work, after signing up on their websites, they will reach out to you for the further procedure to hire a virtual assistant. An experienced project coordinator will work with you and delegate a VA for your tasks. Yes, as for the pricing, they also have 3 different pricing options and it is right there on their website. And the next one on my list here is fancyhands.com. Yes, so go to fancyhands.com and check out all of their VA services. So yes, I don't want this video to be too long, and that's why I'm stopping right here. Make sure that you watch, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video, guys. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of amazing opportunities for you guys. And if you have not joined my Telegram group yet, go ahead and join my Telegram group. If you don't join, now you sabi. Yes, so don't miss out on all this. We are making money this year, so don't miss out on all this juicy information. If you're new here and you have not introduced yourselves, yes, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And yes, if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and yeah, take care guys, and I will see you. Take care and bye for now. Bye guys.